Discover the surprising effects of eating 2 cloves daily. Get ready to spice up your health and uncover the incredible benefits of cloves. From improved digestion to a strengthened immune system and potential cancer prevention, these tiny powerhouses have so much to offer. Join us as we explore the science behind their remarkable effects. Get ready for a spice sensation that will transform your well-being. Number 1. Improves digestion. The digestive system plays a vital role in breaking down and absorbing nutrients from the food we consume. However, when it doesn't function properly, it can lead to unpleasant symptoms like bloating, constipation, and cramping. That's where cloves come in. Cloves contain compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes crucial for breaking down food in the stomach and small intestine. These enzymes work to break down complex molecules into smaller, easily absorbed components. By enhancing the production of these enzymes, cloves improve the efficiency of the digestive system. Moreover, the essential oils in cloves have antispasmodic properties, helping to relax the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, alleviating cramping and bloating. By addressing these symptoms, cloves promote healthy digestion and prevent discomfort after meals. Number 2. Prevents cancer. Cancer is a condition characterized by the uncontrolled proliferation and spread of abnormal cells. Taking preventive measures to inhibit the formation of cancer cells is crucial for reducing the risk of developing this disease. That's where cloves come into play. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which have demonstrated anti-cancer properties. Eugenol acts as a potent antioxidant, effectively neutralizing free radicals and safeguarding cells against oxidative damage. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help mitigate chronic inflammation and establish cancer risk factor. Besides potentially preventing lung and skin cancer, cloves may also offer protection against liver cancer. In laboratory settings, eugenol exhibited the ability to impede the growth of liver cancer cells. Although further research is required to comprehensively comprehend the anti-cancer properties of cloves, existing evidence suggests their potential as a valuable addition to a cancer preventive diet. By incorporating cloves into your dietary routine, you may reduce the likelihood of specific cancer types and promote overall well-being. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Cloves possess a rich concentration of antioxidants, which are compounds that shield the body against damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can inflict harm upon cells, leading to inflammation and disease. By safeguarding the body from free radical damage, the antioxidants found in cloves play a pivotal role in enhancing the immune system and fostering overall well-being. Moreover, cloves boast antibacterial and antifungal properties in addition to their antioxidant prowess. This means they can effectively combat detrimental bacteria and fungi that give rise to infections. For instance, cloves have demonstrated efficacy against bacteria responsible for gum disease and respiratory infections. By fortifying the immune system and fending off infections, cloves contribute to maintaining the body's health and preventing illnesses. Therefore, incorporating cloves into your diet presents a simple and effective approach to supporting your immune system and nurturing overall health. Number 4. Relieves headaches. For centuries, clove essential oil has been employed as a natural solution to alleviate headaches. When diluted and applied to the temples, clove essential oil can effectively alleviate tension headaches. The active component within clove oil, eugenol, possesses analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that aid in soothing pain and diminishing inflammation. Furthermore, the cooling effect of clove oil on the skin contributes to reducing both inflammation and swelling. This cooling effect proves particularly beneficial for headaches accompanied by inflammation. Number 5. Relieves toothache. To relieve toothaches, cloves are commonly utilized as a topical treatment directly applied to the affected area. Simply place a small quantity of clove oil on a cotton swab or cotton ball and gently hold it against the affected tooth or gums. The eugenol present in clove oil aids in numbing the area, thereby reducing pain and inflammation. Moreover, cloves possess antibacterial properties that combat the bacteria responsible for tooth decay and gum disease. This attribute renders them a valuable inclusion in any oral health routine. Number 6. Supports liver health. The liver, a vital organ in the body, plays a critical role in detoxification and metabolism processes. It serves to filter toxins from the bloodstream and break down substances such as alcohol and medications. Within cloves, there exist compounds like eugenol that exhibit hepatoprotective effects, safeguarding the liver from harm caused by toxins and other detrimental substances. Eugenol possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that aid in reducing liver inflammation and preventing oxidative damage. Additionally, cloves contain other compounds that contribute to enhancing liver function. A study, for instance, revealed that clove extract was able to elevate the activity of specific enzymes involved in liver metabolism. Number 7. Reduces stress. When experiencing stress or anxiety, our body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can intensify feelings of tension and unease. However, the presence of eugenol and cloves can aid in diminishing cortisol production, consequently alleviating stress and anxiety. Furthermore, studies have demonstrated that the aromatic properties of cloves have a soothing impact on both the mind and body. Inhaling the fragrance of cloves can effectively pacify the nervous system and foster a sense of tranquility and serenity. Number 8. Improves skin health. Cloves offer a bountiful supply of antioxidants, which play a vital role in safeguarding the skin against oxidative harm triggered by environmental factors like pollution and UV radiation. These antioxidants actively combat free radicals within the body, mitigating cellular damage and countering the effects of skin aging. Moreover, cloves possess anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to reducing skin inflammation and preventing conditions such as acne and eczema. Studies have shown the effectiveness of clove oil in diminishing blemishes and enhancing overall skin texture. Topical application of cloves can unlock these benefits. For instance, blending clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and gently applying it to the face can provide nourishment and protection to the skin. Nevertheless, it is important to exercise caution while using clove oil topically, as it may cause irritation or allergic reactions in certain individuals. Now we will discuss the potential side effects of using cloves. The recommended daily intake of cloves can vary depending on individual factors and overall health condition. However, as a general guideline, most individuals can safely consume 2 to 3 whole cloves per day. While cloves offer numerous health benefits, it is crucial to be mindful of potential side effects. Mouth or throat irritation is a common side effect associated with clove usage, and some individuals may also experience allergic reactions. Additionally, cloves have the potential to interact with certain medications. Therefore, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating cloves or any herbal supplements into your routine. Although cloves can complement a healthy diet, they should never be used as a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. Prioritize the safe use of cloves for their health benefits, and always seek guidance from a healthcare professional before significantly increasing your clove consumption. And there you have it, the surprising effects of eating just 2 cloves daily on your body. From improved digestion to potential cancer prevention, boosted immune system, headache relief, and so much more, cloves truly are a powerhouse of health benefits. If you're excited about enhancing your well-being, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community of health enthusiasts. And here's a question for you: have you ever tried incorporating cloves into your daily routine? We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Plus, make sure to click on the next video where we reveal 10 reasons why you should drink clove tea every day. It's a game changer. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep spicing up your life with cloves.